Hello and welcome to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial brought to you by systemcontrol.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do simple GIF animation. First thing you need to do is open up your Adobe Photoshop. Once it's open, you need to have your animation frame panel open as well. So I don't have it open yet, so I'll show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is go up to Window and then look for Animation. Now you should have your frame window down here for your animation. The next thing is we're going to open up a new document. As always, our shortcut Control-N on your keyboard or File New. Then we have our width set at 800, your height at 500, resolution just keep it at 72, and our color mode will be our RGB color. Keep our background at white. You can have any dimensions you want. It doesn't really matter for this. This is just to give you guys an idea of how to do GIF animations. So go ahead and press OK. And we're just going to do simple typing. It's going to type out control. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the text icon here, and we're going to go ahead and type with the text tool, and we'll type our first letter, which is C. And then we're going to go ahead and duplicate this layer and just move it over to the right. And we'll go ahead and change this to T. And do it again for R and L. R and then L. And let's move it away just a little bit more. Okay, so let's go ahead and center this just so it's a little bit easier. Okay, so now that we have our CTRL or whatever you spelt out, go ahead and take everything out other than the first letter. Now you can even take out the first letter, but in this case we're going to start with the C there and then spell out the rest. So C is the first frame. How you make a new frame is just like you make a new layer. It's the same type of icon. It is down here, and when we click this it makes a new frame. So what we're going to do is after you're on your second frame, so this is 2, and then your first frame would be up here, so you can see where it's labeled, so that's the second frame. I'm going to turn on the T, go to the third frame, so I made a new frame, and turn on the I for R, same thing, and for L. So now if I were to play this, it's going to go really fast, CTRL. So there we go. Okay, so there's timing in between these frames. If you see down here, there's a drop down, and this drop down has no delay, 0.1 seconds all the way up to 10 seconds, and you can actually put in your delay, your custom delay by seconds. We're not going to do that. We're going to set them all by once. So hold shift and click from you have the first one selected all the way to the last frame while holding shift, and then click left mouse click with your mouse, and all of them will be selected. You can click any one of these, doesn't matter, and you're going to set the time for all of them at once. So we're going to click other, and we're going to do 0.3 and press OK and go ahead and play it. So if we wanted to save this so it could be viewable on the internet and you can upload it, you need to save it as a GIF. And the way you do that is you're going to go to File, Save for Web Devices, and in here you're going to change it to a GIF. Looks like here it's already saved for me as a GIF. And what you'll do is just click Save, and to have image only of GIF, and we'll just name this test. So you can also preview it there and all that, and I hope this helped you guys out. I'll have more advanced animations tutorials done shortly. I just want to get you guys introduced to it, how to get to the window and do just simple frame by frame animation. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. Systemcontrol.com. Have a good one.